Hey team, welcome back. Today we're reading passage G, the banker, from the third text in the Simple Comprehension series. Click, click, clack. The final tap was a quiet celebration of the end of a work day. The banker was done and had finished on time. He needed to leave now. His children had asked him to pick up pizzas on the way home. They were almost ready. He closed the lid of his computer, eager to leave. "Riyadh, just one more thing. Could you check this account for us?" came the call. Riyadh sighed. His children would be eating cold pizzas tonight. Questions. What is the banker celebrating? Why was the banker eager to finish work on time? What job does the man do? Why would the children be eating cold pizza? Now let's check the answers. What is the banker celebrating? They are celebrating the end of the workday. It says so here. The final tap was a quiet celebration of the end of the workday. Why was the banker eager to finish work on time? Well, the banker needed to pick up pizzas for his children. It says so here. What job does the man do? The man is a banker. It's the title of the passage, of course, and it references the banker here. We could also say the man works in a bank. Why would the children be eating cold pizza? The banker still had work to do and he could not pick up the pizzas before they got cold. Say so here. Riyadh sighed. His children would be eating cold pizza tonight, and that's because someone has called out to him and said, "One more thing, could you check this account for us?" So he will not be leaving on time, and so not able to pick up the pizzas